Are you having difficulties? Do you have a hard time taking off your shoe by yourself?
Oh my gosh, thank God!
And having your feet all sweaty and stinky?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Ew, why is your feet so disgusting and sweaty?
Don't worry, because we have a resolution for that. Wait, well, what was that?
Bruh.
What? It's Hmong Nike's, duh, of course. Hmong Nikes are our new brand products that we have produced. It's wearable and very comfortable. Wear them and you will feel as if you're in heaven. It lasts longer and is waterproof longer than your other shoes. Why not buy Hmong Nikes instead? But be careful because we are not responsible for your injuries.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Hmong Nikes are easy to put on and easy to take off. Once you get these Hmong Nikes on, you will be the coolest person ever. Buy Hmong Nikes and your toes will be able to breathe and they will be forever happy. You also will receive many wonderful compliments.
Dude, those shoes are sick! What? My shoe? No, I mean it looks nice. Oh, thank you.
It's also stretchable and unbreakable. But remember, we are not responsible for any injuries. Hmong Nikes last forever. Don't worry about buying a new pair of shoes. Even old granny still looks cool with Hmong Nikes on. Hmong Nikes are good to go everywhere. Mountain climbing, bungee jumping, and many more. Hmong Nikes come in any size. Get them for anyone. Great gifts for friends and family. This product is not sold in store. To order, call 1-800 Hmong Nikes. One pair is only $1,099 plus shipping and handling. But wait, call now and pay only $999.99. Before purchasing these products, you must agree to these terms. You must have a feet to be able to wear Hmong Nikes. We are not responsible for any injuries or damages. Copyrights will not be allowed. No excuses for any ages. If you decide to pass these laws, you will be sued as told in your country. You will also be sued for talking anything bad about this product. Hmong Nikes only comes in blue and red. No refund guarantee after purchasing. Thank you.